Hey guys, what's up? iPodTouch1091 here, and today I'm going to be doing a video on Java programming, which is going to be the first episode ever in my brand new series that will teach you how to program in Java. So, to start off, we're going to need a program to write our code in. So that's going to be a program called Eclipse Helios. Now, Helios is not the most up-to-date version of Eclipse. But I have a reason why I use Helios, and we'll get to that in a moment. But first, you want to go to eclipse.org/download/packages/eclipse -IDE-Java -developers/Helios SR2. So I will have a link to that in the description, so you don't have to type all of this code. It would be long, and that would just be plain inconvenient. So I'll be nice and put the link in the description for you. So once you're there, you can select your platform that you're running on, whatever you're going to be coding this on. And as you can see, I'm on Mac OS X. But what if you don't know whether your Mac is 32-bit or 64-bit? Well, if your Mac, and this only applies to Macs, I'll get to Windows in a second. But if your Mac is running below, if it's running on 10.4, OS X 10.4 or below, then that's definitely going to be 32-bit. But if it's running on 10.5 or higher, then that's definitely going to be 64-bit. Now, to tell if your processor is 64-bit or 32-bit, what you want to do is go into Applications, Utilities, and then you want to open up Terminal. And then what you do, once you're in Terminal, you want to do uname and then -m. Alright, so as you can see, my Mac has a 64-bit processor. And the way I know that is because it says x86_64. If it happened to be a 32-bit processor, it would have I386 right there. So that's just a simple little way to tell if your processor is 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm pretty sure that the uname -m can be command can be used on Linux too. I have not tried it, but it might, considering that Linux does run on the Unix kernel. Also, I'm pretty sure it does, but I haven't tried it out, so I can't be sure on that. If you want to see you program in Linux, then you can go ahead and give that a try. Leave a comment below on what it did. Did it work? But yeah, so we can go ahead and quit terminal. As for Windows, if you have an older machine that you bought like maybe 3 years ago or 5 years ago, then that's probably going to be a 32-bit computer. But if you like just bought it, maybe say like a year ago, then that's probably going to be 64-bit. As far as I know, there's no real specific way of yes there is. To tell if your Windows is 64-bit or 32-bit, I'm going to pretend that this is the start menu. What you want to do is you right click, you open the start menu, and then in the sidebar where you can see your user image, you want to right click on the computer button that says computer, and then you want to click properties, and in that window it should say 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm not sure, I haven't tried that in a while, but I will post a video of that if you guys need it. Leave in the comments below what you think. Should I or should I not? But now I'm just going to get into the programming. Also, you have to download this, otherwise you can't write your code unless it will be in another program. Any other program that has the Java IDE will work. Eclipse is just my choice. Also NetBeans for games that I make. But anywho, you want to download that. So I've already downloaded it. So I'm not gonna do that. But you gotta install it, and then once you're here, you want to go into File, New File, not File, but Java Project, and we're going to call this Basics. And then it's just going to create it. And then what you want to do is open this up. You want to create a new package, and that will, no, not a new package, just a new class. So right click on, let's right click on our newly created project, and then you want to go into new and then class. And then we're just going to name it starting PT for point, and then finish. Alright, and now we're just going to make a hello world statement, or a hello world sentence, rather. So what you want to do is public static void then main and then in parentheses you want to make string and then anything like dogs, and then what you want to do is have these brackets and then an open curly bracket, and then you hit enter, and then you want to write system dot out dot print just print, and then inside the quotation, inside the parentheses, you want to put quotation marks, and then you can type whatever. I'm just going to type hello world, and then semicolon, and now you can run it and hit OK. And then, as you can see in our console, it says hello world. So that's it for this tutorial. That's how to make a really very simple hello world program. And in the next tutorial, we will be going over maybe some variables, but that's still to be still to be determined. Not depended. My brain's been crazy today. But anyways, that's to be determined. So thanks guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment. No, not like. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, this is iPod Touch signing off.